Hello everyone, I'm Zoe from Shanghai First Packaging Group. Someone will be confused about the materials chosen for their packaging box. Today I will introduce the different kind of the corrugated paper materials which is most used in packaging box. For the printed sheets, the most popular materials is duplex board and craft paper. If you want your box to be very colorful and full cover of one color, we recommend you the duplex board, which can print any colors on it and the effect is very good. If you prefer the natural box, we will recommend you the craft paper, which usually prints some simple logo and pictures on it. The last but not the least, all of our paper materials are recycled and recyclable. If you still don't know how to choose the materials, just tell us your products and inquiry. We will recommend you the most suitable options. Thank you.